In this video, we're going to go over how to create irresistible video lead games that will triple you or your clients' leads and sales rates. VideoGameSuite lets you choose from a number of addictive lead generation games that offer special prizes you create, like coupons, lead magnets, or other prizes that the visitor will get if they win the game. See, people today have developed banner blindness to normal opt-in, squeeze pages, and pop-ups. They just don't capture emails like they used to. But when a visitor is confronted with the chance to win something, for example playing the lottery, the prize's perceived value increases tremendously. Combine that with a video CTA telling them how to get the prize, and now you have something that will really build your list and make sales in any industry. To get started, you can create a game from scratch using the blank canvas creator. Just hit create game and choose which fun lead generation game you want to create: scratch card, slot machine, memory, claim claw, breakdance, or 3-cup. You can also navigate to the Done For You Templates tab and use an already created campaign and edit it. Templates include hot local business niches and general niches. You can sort templates by clicking all and choosing the templates for specific games. And you can go back here and edit or copy any game you've already started working on. Now, for the sake of time, let's choose one that I've already started working on to generate leads for clients. Okay, now we can begin customizing the game however we want. First, we can customize the main game screen in which they will interact with and play the game. For this particular game, we can customize the prizes they can win when the crane selects a prize. By clicking Browse, we can change the icon of the prize. We can click to edit what the prize is. For example, say we want the prize to be a lead magnet we're giving away. You can change the prize name to Lead Magnet by typing here and erasing the coupon. If you want, you can make the game more realistic with different prizes for repeat visitors, for instance, or have it be the same prize for every time they play. If we want it to be a coupon for our store, we can put in the dollar amount that they won, then show them the coupon code to use. These are just placeholders for the thank you page that they will navigate to after entering their email to get their prize and the coupon code. Also, we can customize the text, including this title here. Next, we can customize the crane claw itself, including colors and fonts. This is great because you can customize each game to fit with your client's branding. We can change the background image and pick from millions of images to integrate. Maybe something like an arcade image might be cool. Also, you can upload your own image to use as the background as well. Then add animations to attract attention to the game. Select an animation and then press Animate to preview what it will look like when the page loads. Then choose fun arcade sounds for when someone grabs the prize, just like if it were in a real casino. We've really pulled all the stops out to make these games super fun and addicting. When you're ready, hit save, then proceed to the lead form screen to customize that. Now, after they play the game, they'll be presented with this screen that details how to claim their prize and captures their best contact information. First, we can edit the headline with shortcodes. So just enter a shortcode like prize, which will display the prize they won from playing the game. Next, we can add a video to increase our conversion rate. Just choose the source of the video and enter your video link. This can help explain what they've won, how to get their prize by entering their email, and introduce what your business is all about to them. Like the previous page, we can customize all the different fonts and colors to fit with our brand if we want. This includes the form they submit and even the main CTA button. VideoGameSuite allows for full GDPR compliance, which you can edit below as well. Preview how it will look on desktop or mobile, then save, and let's go to the integration section. This is where you connect your autoresponder or the small business autoresponder you're creating the games for. If you don't have an autoresponder to send the leads to, you can just save the leads in the app and download them later. Next, let's customize the thank you page. This is what will display after the visitor gives you their email address in exchange for their prize. Here you can outline how to claim their prize, including the download link to your ebook, the specific coupon code they used, etc. Plus, like before, you can upload a custom video to get them to interact with your brand even more, or a custom image like a thank you image. The video you insert can be a sales video for a product, for example, a video building goodwill with your brand, directions to the local business's store, and more. You can add call to action buttons as well below the video again if you choose and customize branding. Finally, we can add conversion pixels if you want to retarget those that viewed your game, including Facebook, Google, or any other pixel. Then to start embedding your game and getting leads, click the Publish button. We can customize the open graph image and share it to social media like Facebook or Instagram fast. You can grab a direct link to the game, which you can direct visitors to or embed it anywhere you wish, including in ClickFunnels, WordPress, HTML pages, and more. Just copy the code and paste anywhere you want. Remember, all the lead games work for desktop and mobile now on any device. The best part is that this was just one type of game and one type of style. VideoGameSuite comes with lots of more addictive games to build your list with, and in different styles, templates, and prizes. Next time, choose another fun game to capture emails with, or sell it to a business that is struggling to get leads. It's that easy to start building your business fast with VideoGameSuite.